the reasons. I gave a summary of the reasons on the letter. And the letter is available on my Twitter and on my Facebook account.
Yes, and just in summary, what are the reasons?
Yeah, I'm not impressed with the level of indiscipline, the thuggish behavior within the party. It has been going on for quite a long time. And the latest was what happened on Thursday. And what happened on Thursday did not just happen to me at Bronde Hotel. But there was also equally the same commotion at the offices where the president was meeting with the Bulawayo province. And some thugs there, unruly elements within the party, had to force the president to cancel elections in Bulawayo. So when I was trying to reflect on what happened to me and also to reflect on what happened at the party offices on the same day, I saw that there was a clear plan. There was that violent strength within the party. And, I just thought the best way for me not to become one of those terrorists was to move away from people who carried the terrorist tendencies around.